Welcome to QNB Global Collect, powered by TransferMate. Here, we'll guide you through the main features of the portal. Add your branding. When you first log in, you'll be asked to add your branding. Please add your logo, a unique URL, and whether you want to email clients or have TransferMate email your clients on your behalf. Add a new client. To add a new client, go to the Request a Payment tab and click Add New Client. Fill in the details, paying particular attention to the client reference number and what default currency you want to bill the client in. You can then navigate to the client details from the main menu to activate the local account for your client to pay into. In this example, we've created a local US dollar bank account for a US-based client, making it a simple domestic payment for them. To request a payment from the client, simply select the currency you want to bill them in, fill out the details, and press Submit. Click the Payment Instructions toggle, and the payment will be pointed towards the local USD account. Click the box next to the payment instructions, and then authorize the payment request. If you selected to email your clients, you can use the details provided. Otherwise, the details will be sent directly from the portal. Different currency. To request a payment in a different currency, other than your client's local account, select that currency from the drop-down and follow the same steps as before. Opening a global account. If you have an invoicing process that requires you to add details manually, simply open a global account in your desired currency, add their details to your invoices, and get paid with ease. Payer portal. For the payer, when they receive the request, they'll be brought to your branded payment portal. They will see the payment in their local currency, be asked to fill in their details, and then confirm the payment details. They then have 48 hours to transfer the funds using the details provided. And that's how easy it is to invoice and get paid in multiple currencies around the world. If you'd like to know more, please contact your QNB representative.